The question is, three charges capital Q, and small q are placed at the vertices of a right angle isosceles triangle as shown in the figure. For what value of Q the net electrostatic energy of this configuration is 0. Here it is given that it is a isosceles triangle. Suppose it is ABC. Capital Q charge is here, small q and small q charges are there. Given the side BC is equal to A. Since it is a isosceles triangle, so the side AB also is equal to A. And according to Pythagoras theorem, the side AC, which is equal to s root over of s square plus s square, which gives root 2a. Now, according to the question, the total potential energy of this configuration is 0. Now, what is the expression of potential energy for three particle system or 3-point charge particle system? It is, if it is Q1, Q2, Q3, and the distances are 1 or 2 or 3, then total potential energy is equal to K Q1 Q2 by, what is the distance between Q1 Q2 are 3, plus K Q2 Q3 R1, the distance between Q2 and Q3, K Q1 Q3 divided by R2. This is the expression of total potential energy of 3-particle system or 3-point charge particle system. So here the expression of total potential energy is K small q into small q divided by A plus K small q into capital Q divided by A plus K small q into capital Q divided by, what is the distance between A and C? It is root 2a. Now, according to the question, the total potential energy is 0. So, we can write P is equal to 0. It is from A to Q according to question, which gives KQ square by A plus K Q into capital Q divided by A. It gives 1 by root 2. Therefore, we have minus KQ square divided by A is equal to KQ capital Q divided by A root 2 plus 1. Therefore, we can write minus Q is equal to plus capital Q whole divided by whole into root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2. Therefore, the value of Q capital Q is minus Q into root 2 divided by root 2 plus 1, which is our answer.